Okay, so the song is called Cough Syrup. I imagine it with like drums and guitars and like a full band, but I don't have a full band. I have my ukulele, so here we go. Stomach full of red, I'm at my last thread. I gotta get myself out of my motherfucking head. Stumbling around, my head is in the clouds. I got I'm sorry when all of the bottles will be found. Drink the red, my body is feeling dead. Am I the only one who's feeling kinda fucking dumb? Night is when I play, my demons all come out. Laying in the park wondering what life's all about. Drink the red, my body is feeling dead. Am I the only one who's feeling kinda fucking dumb? It is 3 a.m. I don't want this to end, but I will never leave you, 'cause you're just around the bend. Drink the red, my body is feeling dead. Am I the only one who's feeling kinda fucking dumb? Okay, so, by the way, just after the song, not finished at all, really rough. Yeah, that's what I got, so thank you for listening.